Okay, we'll start off with just a little quick tour of my workshop here. That's my ultrasonic I got on eBay. Here's my pickle that I keep covered. And here are some of my tools and some wire. Here's my soldering pad. This is the propane tank that I've always used. You can replace it when it gets empty for about $4.99. The tip and the tank can be gotten at a hardware store. The tip is maybe $5 or $6. Okay, I wanted to just show the wire solder that I use. On the right you'll see a stick with the wire sort of wrapped around it. I have a hole drilled in the middle for the wire to go through. The trick here is to create some tension between the two ends, and I do that by going back and forth. Now we're ready to solder here. I light my torch and start fluxing the piece. You can't really see it here, but just checking the tension again. And now I'm grabbing some of the flux that I keep in a bottle, applying it to the piece. Unfortunately, I don't show that, but and now I'm applying the heat. I've already got some heat, and you can see that it will start turning almost like a cherry red, and I apply the solder, and I've got a connection here. Here I'm just sort of filing it down. After you solder, it's always a good idea to get a smooth connection and remove some of the excess solder. And this is a simple file. These are the two finished rings I made. One I've started to form in a mandrel. You can see it's sort of round. The other one just finished the soldering, and that's pretty much it. My goal was to make these earrings as I had sold one in the past, and was just informed to make another, so that's what I'm about to do. Hope you enjoyed this.